Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're making some pepperoni inspired wontons. You all are going to love this. It's going to be, when you take that first bite, it's going to feel like heaven. It's so delicious and easy to make. So we're going to start by taking one small potato and boiling that and then mashing it up really smoothly. Make sure there are no lumps in your potato, so mash it really well. Once you have that going, we'll place a skillet with a piece of golden ray. You could use regular butter, then we'll add in our aromatics. Finely chopped onions, scallions, pepper. I use chilies, you can use a habanero, garlic, and some finely grated carrots. Now I'm making a very small amount, so I use small portions of everything. You can double and triple this recipe if you like. Saute until very tender. And then once it's tender, you're going to remove it from your stove and place it into the potato. Now I boiled the potato with salt, and the golden ray has salt, so you'll notice I didn't add any salt to the veggies. In goes some green seasoning and some cheese. Cheese also is very salty, so only after you mix everything, then taste it and adjust your salt accordingly. So give it a good mix. And it should look like this. Now it's time to fill our wontons. You're going to take your wonton skin wrappers, and I got these at Food Town. Place a dollop in the center, and then you're going to wet your finger and wet two sides of the wonton skins. Then you're going to fold over to form a triangle, and we're just going to make a little indentation in the middle to send it up, and then bring those two ends over. You want to use a little bit of water here and then press to seal. And that's it. Once you've filled and sealed all of your wontons, we're going to go ahead and fry this on a medium-high heat until they're golden. Remember, the filling is already cooked, so it's not going to take long to cook the wonton wrapper itself. So fry those until they're golden brown and crisp. And this is what they would look like when they're done. Go ahead and take them out of your oil, drain them, place them on some paper towels, and then it's ready to be enjoyed. This is best served hot, and it's the best little bite you're going to eat. It's so delicious. So if you love pepperoni, I'm sure you're going to love this. Try it, let me know what you think, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.